In this video, we will see one of the eye-catching design that can be applied in the web pages. We will see how to have an image confined on the screen even when we scroll up and down the page. This confined picture is achieved using the sticky position element from CSS. Sticky elements are predominantly used for keeping something to show on the screen throughout the scrolling. Sticky position are very similar to fixed position, meaning they both maintain their position on the screen even as user scrolls up and down the page. The difference in sticky position element is it remains confined to the parent container it is in. Before going for our HTML and CSS portion, can I request the viewers to subscribe to our channel and click the like button to get more videos like this. First, let me bring out an image. I have an image Teddy JPEG in the same location as this HTML file. Let me define the width and height for this image. Randomly I am giving width as 150 and height as say 200. Let us first preview that whether we are getting the image. Yes, since the image is in the same as HTML, we got the image in our preview window. Now coming back to the HTML portion, I will write a paragraph and make this a lengthy web page so that we can scroll up and down on the web page. So I'll write a paragraph. This is to demonstrate sticky image on scrolling down of the web page. To save time, I'll copy the same paragraph and paste say 100 times so that our page is long enough to scroll up and down. As sticky element is designed to confine its position even if we scroll up and down, I am voluntarily making the web page long enough so that we can scroll and see if our image is getting sticked. Now we will preview it. There is an image immediately below that our paragraph elements are getting displayed. See, if I start scrolling down, the image is out of display. Now something very prominent has to be displayed. It is possible using sticky position element. So far we have not yet implemented the sticky position element. So when we scroll down, we want this image, the Teddy image, to keep appearing on the web page even if we scroll down. So it shall be predominant on the web page. For that, let us introduce a class in image, within image tag, and let me call this class name as sticking image. We will go back to the head content and start the styling tag, so that using CSS we will define the sticky position. So within this class image sticking image, I will rewrite it, sticking image. Let me first use the element position and give the element as sticky. Sticky is the element which will make our image or this class to confine on the web page, and I have defined the top position for it as 0 pixel. So as this sticky element has the characteristic to hold or confine this into a fixed position, even if we scroll down, we could see that our paragraph is going behind the image when I have scrolled down, and image is over the paragraph. If I keep scrolling down, image is in the position, sticking to the position at the top 0 pixels, whereas the other content of the web pages are getting scrolled down. This is very easy to implement with less number of lines of codes, but very eye-catching for a web page where we want to show that is predominant for the visibility of the content. So going back, we can see we have just used the CSS styling to get the image sticking onto the page.